Okay, Ebusian. Ebusian says, yeah, okay, we're going to talk about, I mean, I had to say something about Yvonne Nelson.
Hey guys, my name is Yvonne Nelson. Come join me on my drive.
Yvonne Nelson and Sarkodie's Bruhaha that is going on. So, I'm not going to bore you with everything because you all knows what's going on. Yvonne Nelson wrote her book, debut her memoir, I Am Not Yvonne Nelson. And in the book, she alluded to the fact that she and Sarkodie had a thing, which I'm pretty sure was no secret to Ghanaians. But me personally, I didn't know. So they had a thing in the past. And
few weeks ago, you
spilling out everything that went on in their relationship and blah 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 hula baloo. Once again, I said I'm not gonna bore you with all of those. And we all know the controversies around Yvonne Nelson looking for her father. So I don't know whether this is a thing or Nancy and Adamfo Mercy Johnson, who is Ghanaian, right, was searching. Apparently, Yvonne Nelson is also searching for Onososo Papa. And then the papa that she thought was the papano apparently found out after DNA that he wasn't the real father. Anyway, moving on. I know, say yes, this buzz is getting her book sold. So basically, hands down, this girl is winning. And basically, something that was negative, she has turned it to positive for her bank accounts, which is good. I'm all for that. Anything you can do to get money, so long as you're not destroying somebody else, you're not destroying an innocent person. But if this pregnancy happened and if this relationship happened, I mean, unless if it was her choice to abort this, if it wasn't her choice and she had to abort it because of circumstances that she was being neglected, then I mean, Sarkodie isn't innocent in this case. So if she's destroying Sarkodie to sell her books, that is dog eat dog world. It's sad to say, but it says survivor of the fittest, and you see, you would Timmy wants to Timmy wa or Ro Kawa Eddie found him or Betty. That's how it is. First, no, Winyano, and there was no Sobabina. It's a quite to say in Guasiano, and Yanim Guasia, or the Tony books. You know how many people are reading that book and buying that books after this controversy came out? And see, anyway. And he said, yeah, will be a to money. Sarkodie fancy to money, Yvonne. Yvonne also fancy so a to money, Sarkodie, and a whole lot. Now, what caught my eyes in here and there, I may talk about this no yet. I saw a post. First, I saw that post on #5 TV, and then I've been seeing it everywhere. So, the post says, alleged relative of Yvonne Nelson's mother reveals how badly the book release has affected the good family. News we heard is that Yvonne Nelson's mom has recovered from the shock and it's up and has been seen around carrying on her daily activities. Another one that caught my attention, a relative of Yvonne Nelson is threatening, saying that if you know who your father is, you will run away from Ghana. onim ne papa eka wadwane free Ghana. That I don't understand. Obi ti ase a onchire mi mu kakra. Me twen. In the comments? Why na enye nipa? Na ni papa ne daga temukra ara papa onye nipa. Papa na boda mukra onye nipa. Everybody Ghana folk. Thanks for watching.